again to my channel. See your favorite girl, Igbodiuto. Yes, Igbo is sweet. Yes, once you master your language, you'll be able to communicate with your fellow citizen. So it's good to learn and master your language. Igbo is very sweet. So in today's video, we are going to learn udaume Igbo vowel. So that's what we have to treat today. So give me all your listening ears so that you understand what I'm saying about udaume Igbo. Udaume bụ mkpụrụ ụda asụsụ eji nkupụta ume akpọpụta na-enweghị mgbochi na oghere ọnụ. I say it again. Udaume bụ mkpụrụ asụsụ eji nkupụta ume akpọpụta na-enweghị mgbochi na oghere ọnụ. What I mean by that in Igbo is that this udaume in English it is called vowel. Mgbe ị na-akpọpụta ha, enwere ihe ọbụla na-egbochi gị ọnụ gị. Like I'm talking now. If you look to me at me now, ị ga-afụ na m na-emepe ọnụ m. Enweghị ife ọbụla gbochiri m ọnụ ma imegharị ahụ dịka ma egbugbere ọnụ enu ma nke a. You see how my mouth is moving. Nothing obstructs me from talking. That's what udaume means. So in English, udaume, that is vowel, is a speech sound that is produced with oral part of the breath without obstruction in the mouth opening. So when you are pronouncing it, there is nothing obstructs your mouth from being opening. That is what vowel means in English. So udaume Igbo dị asatọ. This vowel sound we are talking about in Igbo, we have it 8. Asatọ, that is 8 in English. Habo in English, that includes obere. We in this udaume Igbo, this Igbo vowel, we have the bigger ones and the smaller ones. Those smaller ones are called obere. Obere. So they are a, e, o, u, o. So if you look at these letters now, you will see that this a and e, they are different. But if you look at these ones, they are the same thing. What differentiates them is the dots. Like this one, it only has dots in the up, but this one has dots both up and down. That is why the sound differs. And you see this O, it does not have dots under. Likewise this one, which has dots. So it's this dot that makes their pronunciation differ. Like this one, O, both the upper lips and the lower lips are being opened fully. O, you see it, the two closed a little bit. U, you see the two join together and moves forward. O, the thing comes down. So that's the difference. And then if you look at the bigger ones, that is nnukwu udaume. A, e, o, u, and o. So we have 8 vowels in Igbo. 8 vowels in Igbo. That's what we have in Igbo vowel. We have 8 Igbo vowels. Udaume Igbo. Udaume Igbo dị asatọ. So Igbo vowels are 8 in what? In number. Likewise in English, you have A, E, I, O, U. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise in English, we have it 5. A, E, I, O, U. In English, do you see it? But in Igbo vowel, we have it 8. Ekere udaume Igbo ụzọ anọ dịka esi asaghedebe ọnụ mgbe a na-akpọpụta. This Igbo vowel we are talking about Ekere ụzọ anọ, that is 4. It is divided into 4. According to the way our mouth is being opened when it is called. So these Igbo vowels are divided into 4. Ha they include udaume nrezu, udaume nrezu. This udaume nrezu we are talking about is that when this vowel sound is being pronounced, our mouth is completely what? Open. That is nrezu. Ha a or if you look at how I pronounce it, if you look to my mouth now, you see that my mouth is wide open. Or both the upper lips and the lower lips are what? Open very well. So the second part of it, bimbe, udaume nretu. This one is not completely open. That is what nretu. It is open. Our mouth is being open, but it is not completely what? Open. Habo. O. Do you see it? O. That is how it is called. It is not completely what? Open. Ch. Udaume ntachi. What I mean by this udaume ntachi is that both the upper lips and the lower lips and even our teeth, it is what? Closed. So watch me as I call it now. Habo. I. If you look at it. I. If you look at my two lips, the upper one and the lower one, it is closed. Udaume ntashito. Udaume ntashito. It is closed but not fully closed. That's what ntashito means. Have. O. You see it? It is closed but not what? Fully closed. That is ntashito. So, like as I've said earlier, that udaume Igbo is divided into 4 according to the way our mouth is being opened when it is pronounced. So if you look on this board now, you see 4 of them. Udaume nrezu, completely open. Udaume nretu, not completely what? Open. Udaume ntashi, closed. It is completely closed. Udaume ntashitu, not fully or completely closed. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.